They have Kane Williamson, Phil Young as well. So for me, I guess they should
Long
go
and
with their
quite hot in Dubai as well.
yes.
And Anasab, how do you see that Ahmed Shahzad has made a
He as
statement on
well.
Agassi?
So for me, I guess was an excellent choice along with Shadab Khan to represent Pakistan in the future as well. So for me, I guess definitely these new
You're
players
taking name
are.
of Yunus Khan, but the main
Yes.
problem with people say about Yunus Khan is that he's way too upright and blunt, and I think he
Yes.
might. Shubman Gill, the vice captain, has cleared that these are all rumors and they have not discussed or said anything. So there are lots of happenings and discussion happening in sport, and Akil Bhai is with us today. How are you, Akil Bhai?
I am good, Akib. What about you?
I'm doing well, Anasab. And how do you see we are just one day away
Yes.
from the grand final, India versus New Zealand? They've given a long gap, ICC, of roughly 2-3 days for this match.
I
How do you
guess
see it?
that was definitely for the traveling because New Zealand was going to travel to Dubai to play their final against India, and tomorrow will be a huge match between India and New Zealand in Dubai. So we are hoping a huge, great match, and I hope the best team should win, and there will be a great match between these two great teams.
Anasab, what do you think? Both teams, do you think will be going unchanged, or will they make some changes?
For me, I guess definitely New Zealand and India will be going with their best spinners. They will be going with their three best spinners, and I guess India will not make any changes. And in the end, for the New Zealand, I guess they might make any change, but for me, they should go with their specialized three spinners because spinners' role will be great. It will be a huge role for the spinners to take the wickets and to put the pressure on the other team.
And do you think Anasab, New Zealand particularly will go with unchanged team? And what do you think that they should win the toss and bowl first, string India's chances?
For me, if any team win the toss, they should bat first, especially New Zealand because they can make a target of 280 plus, and if they will be able to do a target of 280, then definitely
Even
that
300
will, even
close to-
yes. So that will definitely make a pressure on India as well, and you know that the team that plays first batting have not that much
haven't
pressure. So for me, I guess New Zealand have a good batsman as well. They have Kane Williamson, Phil Young as well. So for me, I guess they should go with their first batting option, and in the end, they can be able to beat the India because India might lose their wickets. So for me, I guess they should go with their batting first.
Anasab, there's also a very hot news coming in cricket these days that in previous match which India played against Australia, Mohammad Shami was basically drinking an energy drink, and obviously we know that Ramzan has started. And
Yes.
there have been criticism for which Shami is facing, particularly from All India Muslim League president, that he's comparing him to Hashim Amla, who was fasting and he scored a triple hundred, and he's criticizing that why is Shami not fasting and taking energy drinks during the match?
For me, I guess that's totally his choice.
Unnecessary criticism.
Yes, that was definitely his choice, but definitely he is a Muslim, so he will be obliged to fast. But for me, I guess that's totally his own point, and that's totally his own choice.
And Anasab, also this is a myth that Hashim Amla was not fasting. He was basically not fasting while he scored the triple hundred. Obviously, while playing it becomes really difficult. to
Difficult,
fast.
yeah, definitely.
Because one-day matches are pretty long and
Yes,
it's quite
yes,
hot in
yes.
Dubai as well.
Yes.
And Anasab, how do you see that Ahmed Shahzad has made a statement on Agha Salman as well that he should have not been given the T20 captaincy because his whole performance is quite poor in T20?
So I guess let's ask from the Ahmed Shahzad that who should be the captain for Pakistan, because in the last 2 years we have changed 4 captains. We have got 4 new captains in the name of Shaheen, then Babar, then Rizwan, and now Salman Agha. So for me, I guess Salman Agha is good option for the captain for Pakistan because he can bowl well, he can bat well, and definitely he can field as well. So for me, I guess was an excellent choice along with Shadab Khan. I guess Shadab was not in the team for past 2 years, but if he had been given a chance as a vice captain, so definitely he is a nice player. He can bowl and he can bat as well. So I guess the team selection was good, and we are hoping our young players to make their name, and they should be in the team and they should be polished, and we should give them some time because these are our new talent, because these are the players who are going to represent Pakistan in the future as well. So for me, I guess definitely these new players are the backbone of Pakistan in the near future.
Anasab, do you think there have also been some poor sort of selections that even you were taking name of Arfat Manas, who's quite talented spinner. He
Yes.
was in the squad, but now suddenly he's dropped without playing
Yes.
a match. Even Hasibullah has dropped and a couple of other players as well. Faisal Akram has also been dropped without playing a single match. Hasnain is dropped from the squad.
Yes.
Don't you think this is poor from the PCB? This will shatter the young players.
Definitely, this is a poor decision from PCB, and we are not expecting these type of decisions from them.
Akib is behind this runner, sir.
I guess Akib, for me, I guess Akib Javed is not that caliber of a coach, and we need a new coach. We want Yunus Khan, Muhammad Yusuf to
Or
be
an
the coach of
international coach.
Pakistan. Definitely, we had the coach in the past, and they had been a great coach which had shaped the Pakistan, and Pakistan was also the number one team at their time as well. So for me, I guess we should sack Akib Javed, and we want a new coach for Pakistan team.
And Anna sir, do you think that obviously international coach is the way to go for Pakistan in the future?
Yes,
With
for me, yes.
Gary-
I guess like Gary and Gillespie, they were great. They were good coaches as well. They were be in the, you can say, like in the sports for around 30-40 years. So I guess they haven't been given a chance for Pakistan, and we had made a great mistake by like giving the chance to Akib Javed. And because for me, I guess Akib Javed is not that caliber of coach. We want some new coach who should improve Pakistan cricket. They should focus on Pakistan team and also on Pakistan bowling and fielding as well. But right now, Akib Javed is just wasting Pakistan talent. This is what I just want to say.
Rana sir, obviously you're taking name of Yunus Khan, but the main
Yes.
problem with people say about Yunus Khan is that he's way too upright and blunt, and I think he might not work well with PCB.
I guess
remember
we
he was
won.
batting coach as well in Corona times.
Yes, I guess we want this type of coach who can shape the Pakistan team in a better form.
Or
And
honest.
yes, definitely we want some honest and hardworking coach. So for me, I guess Yunus Khan, Muhammad Yusuf is a good option for Pakistan.
Also,
coach.
Rashid Latif also might be.
Rashid Latif is a good option, and we can use him in the fielding, as you can say, like as a fielding coach. But as a head coach, I guess Yunus Khan will be a good option.
And Rashid, other stuff before we conclude this video, there were news coming and speculation coming that Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli are retiring after this Champions Trophy.
Yes.
Shubman Gill, the vice captain, has cleared that these are all rumors and they have not discussed or said anything with regard
I
to
had
retirement.
been hearing some news that after this Champions Trophy, some big names are going to retire from the New Zealand side, and
Smith
also
is retired for
yes, he has retired. And for me, I guess for New Zealand and for India, there will be a big names who are going to retire after the Champions Trophy final. So we just hope that the best team should win, and the players who are going to retire, we just wish them best of luck. But by the end of tomorrow, we will be able to know that who are that big names. So please wait and watch.
So, Nazar, thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will try to have another video. So, yeah, again, that's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe to Sports News for more content like this. Till then, it's goodbye from me and Rana. Till by side.
Allah Hafiz, take care.